Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to find the Bridgerton filter on TikTok. So if you want to find the Bridgerton filter on TikTok, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open your TikTok application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, if you see at the bottom, you can see several options over here. You can see home icon, discover icon, plus icon, inbox and profile. What you have to do is tap on the plus icon which is at the middle. Now you can see over here camera is opened. All you have to do is tap on the effects option. Now you can see over here several effects will pop up. In order to find the Bridgerton effect, all you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see right over here. Now tap on the search bar and search for Bridgerton. Once you type in Bridgerton, you can see over here several Bridgerton filters will appear. All you have to do is tap on the video icon that you can see right next to the Bridgerton portraits filter. Now you can see over here Bridgerton filter is applied. So that is how you find the Bridgerton filter on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.